Canvas right now. CYA230 1260 is the course that we're talking about, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the introductions. And this video will be placed in the home tab. I'll have it probably at the top. Some things I really want you to pay attention to is your academic calendar. And with your academic calendar, it'll tell you things like your periods in which your class will start. We started on the 13th of January. Your add drop period is for 16-week courses is January 13th through the 20th. So you've missed that already. So the last day to drop class with 100% tuition is January 20th. Last day to drop with 50% tuition is Monday, January 27th. With 25% will be February 3rd. The census date that I'm going to mark everyone present is going to be February 4th. Now, to be marked present, you will have to have at least completed some assignments. So that's pretty much what those assignments are for. The introduction, the pre-test or the pre-exams for 1101 and 1102, those are really, I use those for attendance. So even if you complete those, I'll give you 100% for the exam. You may see a score there, but don't worry. I will make sure that you have a good grade for that. Your midterm exams will be between March 10th and March 14th. We are out for spring break for April 14th to the 20th. No work, no assignments will be done during that period. You'll have, unless you want to get caught up, you have Good Friday, which is April 18th, which is going to be between the 14th and the 20th. Your last day to withdraw with a W grade or withdraw would be the 21st. Your final exams will be between April 30th and May 7th, and grades will be posted on the portal on May 9th. These are some of the Saturday operating hours, which would be the January 11th, 18th, 25th, February 1st and 15th, March 1st, 15th, and 29th, April 12th and 26th, and May 3rd. So commencement will be on May 10th if you're graduating throughout the course. As I scroll down a little more, you can get free textbooks as long as you meet the requirements. So here is the instructions here. So it says, during times like these, you need to know we got you. Take spring 2025 classes here at BCCC. Your textbooks are and shipping are on us. The bookstore is processing all spring 2025 textbook orders entirely online. To obtain free textbooks for the spring 2025, you must do the following: be registered for spring courses, be in good academic standing, be a U.S. citizen or eligible non-citizen, be a high school graduate and have earned a equivalent or GED, general education diploma, be a degree or certified seeking student. Non-credit students are not eligible for this funding. Have a social security number, not be in collections with the state of Maryland for a BCCC balance. Now, even though we have these things here, I'm going to walk through the process of how you really go through to access your class materials. All right, everyone. We're going to come here and I'm going to show you how to access the class materials. I'm going to go to, not the one I wanted, I'm going to go here to Baltimore City Community College. And we're going to go here to the current student tab. On the current student tab, then you can go down to Bookstore. Once you go to Bookstore, this is some of the same content that was in the homepage of the Canvas shell. If we go back here to Home and Canvas. Yes. All right. I'm going to come here, and to order the textbooks, we're going to follow this procedure. We're going to click here to order textbooks. And then you'll see the section here that says generate your book list. You're going to click on add courses to list. Once you do that, you're going to click here and you're going to click the Liberty Campus Spring 2025 A-Lib Liberty Campus. Then this will open up, select a department. You're going to select, not business. I'm trying to see, where are we? Okay, I believe cyber security assurance. This is what you're going to pick here, cybersecurity assurance. Then you're going to select courses, and then our course should come up right here. We are CYA 230. Why is 230? There we are right there, CYA230. You're going to select CYA230. It doesn't have a particular professor listed here. So then you're going to select all staff. Then you'll select add. After you select add, you'll select generate your book list. All right. So then this is what you'll get, the Cengage Unlimited Access card. Okay. So then you'll select purchase. Click purchase here. Once you select purchase here, then what you're going to do is you're going to select checkout. When you select checkout, of course, you will log in. I don't have access right here. This you'll log in, or you shouldn't have to create an account. So here it says, let me scroll down just a bit. It says under add, you will see the course listed. Select generate your book list. It says a new page will be displayed. Your textbook information will be listed, as I just showed. Name of the book, author of the book, edition price, ISBN. You're going to select BCC as your method of payment for free course materials. So if we go back here, let me go back one. I guess you go to checkout. We got the one item in the cart already. Go to checkout. If I was logged in as a student, then I would enter in this part right here where it says you're going to select BCC as your method of payment for free course materials. And it says if you require assistance in ordering your books, you're going to email the bookstore at bccc.edu. I recommend it's best that you have any complications, you go directly to campus and go directly to the bookstore if you can. If not, email them, get them on the phone, do what you need to do. Your textbook payment options for spring 2025 looks as follows. You select your method of payment and shipping address, BCC free textbook. Step 2, select BCC free. Step 3, check out and receive a confirmation number. Please keep your receipts, keep your confirmation numbers. It says students will be sent a receipt to their email address. Your access code should go to your email address as well. All right. Once that is done, you need to go to the course and you'll go to module. You'll go to modules. Once you scroll down, you're going to go to a particular assignment in modules, like module 1, take a computer apart and putting it back together. Select hardware simulation module. Now mine is going to directly go, but if I was to do this as a student, I'm going to scroll down to the assignment. I'll click on the assignment, and then this is what it's going to populate here. You'll see load hardware lab simulation. Click this, and then it's going to ask you either to create an account or to log in. Right now, it's asking me to log in. It's got the wrong credentials there. So I will log in. So either you're going to set up, create an account if this is your first time, or you're going to log in. Me, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Once I log in, it's going to say, it's not going to, I'm not a student. So it says your Cengage registration is not complete. So I would have to go through the registration process. But I'm going to go back, and when I leave student view, come on. All right, and after leading student view, I'm going to go and log in. Once everything and your credentials are set, then and please use your school credentials. Don't use another email or anything like that, because you want everything to go back to your school email. You really got to be careful about that, because you don't want to lose your information. This happens to a lot of people where they will use their personal emails and then they'll forget how to log in. You want to log in through Canvas. So when you go to your Canvas class, and I go to modules, and then I scroll down and I click on an assignment, boom, you want to select that so that the assignment comes up, and then you access through the course. Okay. Don't just go to Cengage, set everything up, and then think that everything's going to show up. It's not. We're trying to set it up this way so that when you complete assignments, your grades automatically populate into the Canvas shell. So we're using Cengage MindTap, and we're using Canvas as the learning management platform.